Hello everyone, welcome to Ann and Me. For today's video, I'm gonna share to you Kimbap, the one that I bought during our tour to the Arboretum. And Kimbap, as we know, as we've seen in lots of dramas, it is actually Korean's favorite. Very easy to make and very comfortable to bring whenever they go outside for a picnic, and is widely available on different flavors, and there are lots of stores that sells and prepares freshly made kimbap in a very delicious and nutritious way. This place is my favorite. So we have here bulgogi, the one with the black sauce, and the cheese kimpap, the one at the center. That's our kids' favorite. And actually, kids' favorite cheese kimpap has this very unique texture because of the cheese and the vegetables. Of course, as I've mentioned earlier, is very healthy. All the ingredients are fresh and really authentic. There is no added preservatives in it, and as you can see, it's really fully packed like that. Wow. And this one is actually a tuna kimbap is my favorite. So we have 3 tuna, cheese, and bulgogi. So they're very yummy. And this Azuma shows me how to cut the kimbap, because I've tried it many times and it is actually not perfect, just like she's doing it. Look at that. The knife she's using, wow, epic. That's all, guys, and then she's gonna put it in an individual foil and we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.